Cookie, and right now the babies are watching Galena of Avalon, and it's currently like a vlog thing. It's thunderstorming. Oh god. I mean, it looks like it's not, but it's just like thundering. So yeah, it's thunderstorming. Well, it's just thundering because first it was thunderstorming. But they're watching Galena of Avalon, and I'm about to dress them. So I'm gonna go in this drawer, which I keep all my baby life clothes, and I'm going to pick out all the outfits. So I'll be right back. And oh no, Graceful. And I have all these outfits, and then the baby's about to get dressed, so I'm going to get them one at a time and set up the camera. So, yeah. And I'm going to do the hair, because I got to get the brush and stuff. So, yeah, let's do it. Then I'm going to get this. I don't know how this is bow popped. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. So, this is a little quicker. You don't have to do this one in time for this. Okay, Alyssa's dressed. Now we're going to reach over to Paris. Get Miss Paris ready. And sorry if you hear the TVs.
Let's go. Elliot. Best friend or big trouble? Best friend. What do you
I have no idea what Grace is going to wear.
Flying or fire breathing? Flying. I wish I could fly. You hope you don't have to ever fire breathe. It depends. Whose hair is it?
Oh, she looks so cute in this. Oh, this fits her so well.
Awesome. It's a little too hot.
Okay, so I'm going to get Grace because she's pretty far away.
Is it a neat trick?
I was thinking about having her wear these fits, but they probably wouldn't fit her over this typo. So, about this shirt as a dress. Look at the camera. She's shy. And I was thinking about wearing this dress, but I don't know. So, I think we're going to try to put this on and see how it looks. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Out. This is how Paris looks, and she still looks so adorable. And yeah, somewhat compared to them, she's pretty big. This picture's just what's up? So this is me dressing all the babies, and put in the comments below which is one. Summer's dress, her outfit, or her outfit. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure to put in the comments below which one's your favorite. Bye!